Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation minus, plus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 0, B is 4, C is 16 and D is 21. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we have to see the two rules, BODMAS and PAMDAS rule. These rules we can apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the exponent of power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3 is you have to solve division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. So now we have to see the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So here we have, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So in our expression, we have this expression which contains two operations, multiplication and minus. So first of all, we have to solve the multiplication inside the bracket. So 4 9 the 9 1 the 9, 9 2 the 18, 9 3 the 27 and 9 4 the 36. We will write 36 and we will again write the bracket minus 21. We will write minus 21 and divided by 3 plus 4 raised to power 2. Again, we will write as it is. And here we have to give the reference, which is 4 multiplied by 9 equals to 36. Now move forward to solve the 36 minus 21. So we will solve both of them and get the answer is 15. So after solving it, we have to get the answer is 15 and divided by 3. We will write as it is and plus 4. We will write again as it is. And here we have to give the reference. So we will write 36 minus 21 equals to 15. Now we have solved this one. Now we have to solve the exponent part, or you can say the order of operation. So here we have one order of operation or exponent part which is 4 raised to power 2. So we have to write this one plus 4 raised to power 2 means 4 multiplied by 4 which is equals to 16. And here we have to give the reference like 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16. We will write 16 here. Now we have solved this one. Now we have to see the division and multiplication, step number 3. So now we have the one division which is 15 divided by 3. So we will divide these two terms and get the answer is 5 plus 16. And here we have to give the reference like this one. Now we have to add both of them and get the answer is 21. The answer of the given expression is 21. If you see the answer list, so answer D is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.